Good morning, friends, all of you. Today is my black cat retirement day. He gave me a good service for 10 years. I love him very much. Just I am giving him retirement due to his old age and going to bring a new one. Have a look, friends. This is my black cat. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Hello. Honda showroom, Ratna Honda showroom, Jalpaiguri. This is Rajan Bhai taking a new one. This is my motorbike, red motorbike. Have a look, friends. Manager getting down it for servicing and setting accessories like seat cover, handle cover, getting down from showroom and going to workshop. Manager, Ratna Honda showroom, Jalpaiguri. Manager. This is another manager giving me key of the motorcycle. Rajan Bhai, another manager. Thank you very much. Have a